Old car envy. We love nice cars.
3, 1. 214 with a jump out front. Once again, the flea right up on his tail. Ooh. If you use a brake, it's not a full send. 2 horse race for the lead. Hard left turn, back into the figure 8. Through the pumpkins they go. Over the hill, hard right turn, and they're still neck and neck. Seekonk working the outside, locks him up, pulls that outside lane. 3 truck assumes the lead, and the 214 a little bit of trouble getting through the infield that time. 214 definitely falling off the pace. That's the name of the game. Goes in and just like that. Keeps it going. He told you he was going all off with the spike pumpkin. The spike pumpkin lives on. Pumpkin spice here in the pumpkin smash. Oh. That's all it had, folks. Just like that, the 214 overtakes the lead. The 214 laboring and getting slick. 214 just putting in the laps at this point. Oh my goodness, that thing is riding. I think he's going to be riding on the shock cap, the top of the shock or something. Not much more years in that truck, but it's got the lead. So it's going to keep pedaling around. Here comes the 26 wheeling. Coming back through to complete another lap. Oh, misses the jump that time. Little off-road excursion. 2 laps to go. The 214 truck. Clear all around. Nothing. Man, look at him slide right through as if he was on snow in the middle of January. We don't want to think about this yet. Oh, slip slide, excuse me. And 214 bounding its way through. That thing holding on for dear life. Got nothing left. Half a lap until the checkers. Just got to do the pumpkins a couple more times. Goes stomping on that throttle. Hard right turn back onto the oval. Back through the infield. One more time. A straightaway between him and the checkers. Easy does it through the infield. Over the last jump. Checker flag in the air. And the 214 is going to be your pumpkin smash figure 8 truck winner.